Can you tell us about your company's products and services?
Okay, obviously products that we offer is the TyreSense TPMS system. TPMS system is obviously tire pressure, temperature and GPS monitoring. So it measures your pressures, measures your temperatures in your tire, and plus it does your GPS monitoring, distance traveled, motion, average kilometers traveled, etc. So it's different types of applications. So this is what we currently do. You've got your in-cab display, your sensor which goes in the tire, 3 different types of mounting applications, patch, mag mount, and also if you're running a Michelin tires, this can go into the Michelin tires with a clip, with a MEMS ready patch. And then you've got your transceiver unit. Transceiver unit runs off of Ethernet or cellular. So you've got 2 applications that you can work with. And also you've got your Bluetooth. Almost forgot the Bluetooth. So if you don't have any wireless mesh networks, let's say you're running an underground application, then you can use a Bluetooth. You've got a pickup range of between 200 and 250 meters on the Bluetooth system, and then you run off a Bluetooth server, pushes the data to the Bluetooth server when the truck is in range. So if you're working on Ethernet or cellular, different story, it'll pick up all the time.
But what makes these unique?
Obviously, from a, let's say, a reporting point of view, you've got your good analytics that come through, you've got all your data. Your data is, one push of a button, it's there in a nice Excel report for you. You don't have to configure anything, it's quick and easy to use. So, and it's laid out nice and easy to read. So you can see what your alerts were in terms of a particular period, what events took place. Let's say you had an impact on the tire, rapid deflation, you can pick up that event. Also wheel motor fire, you can pick up the event exactly in terms of the time, the date, when it took place, and what was the cause of that incident. Was it pressure related, was it temperature related? So the whole thing is around, you can also base it on pyrolysis. So it's obviously, if you have a pyrolysis incident and the tire explodes, you want to try to prevent that. Tires are expensive in the marketplace. You want to save yourself the tires so you can get more production and more time out of the tires, and also you want to save fuel. Obviously this, you can measure your idling speed. So if the truck is sitting idling, you can say to the driver, why are you sitting idling? Save your fuel there. So it's all to do with cost savings and safety, etc.
And currently, where are these products deployed at the moment?
We're running with FQM at the moment up in Zambia, with Kalambila mine. You've got Debswana Joneng is running it. You've got Newval, Anglo-American, Isibunela, Greenside, Goedehoop, Creel, Klein Copy, all running the system currently.
Where was this product developed?
Okay, the product's developed in Canada by RIMEX, obviously global, under the division of TyreSense. Now, any enhancement features, any, new features, benefits to the client, making the system more user-friendly. Obviously the product's really user-friendly, anybody can pretty much pick it up and use it, it's not complex. Canada is really on top of things, us guys in the field engineers, we push the enhancements back to the company. And in terms of development time, if there's client-specific development, in terms of, let's say a client wants a specific report or they want a new feature in the system, in terms of getting that out to the market, it's very quick. And that's the best thing, is having a short delivery to market in terms of changes and upgrades to the actual package and updates to the software. So in terms of updates to the software, it comes through regularly, almost like your iPhone. You get your updates, you can update your iOS, there you go, no issues.
Looking at projects, which projects are you involved with TyreSense that make you most proud?
Okay, obviously we handled the Kalambila installation recently with Zambia. They've added a few more trucks onto their fleet, monitoring those trucks. Moving over to Namibia, we're busy now with Swakop Uranium. We're doing a proof of concept there alongside other systems. So it's quite nice in terms of to prove that our system is, a really good system, and obviously that'll come down to the end user and what is best for the end user in terms of, you know, what suits their application on the mine. So yeah, those are the two currently that we're working at. We are prospecting on other sites, and yeah, we'll see what happens for 2017.
Great. And then just lastly, is there anything else that you want to add?
Special thanks to my director Ian Ray and the team from Canada. Obviously, Dr. Dave. He's done a really good job in terms of, you know, answering my emails and dealing with all my enhancements that I've pushed through to him. So yeah, thanks RIMEX for everything.